Hey guys, what's up? Testing PUBG on my budget PC using a used Ryzen 5 1400, the Quadro P400 and 8GB RAM. Before we start, I just want to mention this whole video is an experiment and there's already a bottleneck happening between the CPU and the graphic card. I'm recording the gameplay using my phone, so there's no FPS loss from any recording software. MSI Afterburner for the benchmark overlay so you can see the real-time GPU usage, CPU usage, temps and FPS. For this test, I'm playing PUBG at 1080p resolution on low settings. At the beginning, the game actually runs pretty well on this setup. But I want to tell you early towards the end of the gameplay, the system starts showing artifacts and graphical glitches and the game eventually crashes. That's because the Ryzen 5 4200 and Quadro P400 combo hits a heavy bottleneck when the load increases. And yeah, I'm not here to show pro gameplay, this is purely for benchmarking and checking how stable the system is in 2025. So let's jump into the match and see what kind of FPS and performance we get before it crashes.